ladies. Okay, so today I'm going to be testing with a first response. The last saw you video. It was set. Oh my god, I can't even talk. The last video you saw of mine was me at 2 o'clock in the morning with Matt like snoring away in bed and finding out that I am pregnant. So I just want to take another first response. I've actually got another couple of boxes coming because I want to make sure that my HCG levels are going up. I did take some cheapies this morning, so I will quickly show you them. This is a Casanova brand. As you can see, there's a little pink line there. Ah! And then these are the cassette ones that I love. Look at that. Yay! So let's do a first response and see what it says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to dip it for just a little bit longer than it needs. Okay. There's the line. There's the line. Yay. Yay. Wow, that came up so quick. So I've got today's and yesterday's, and I would say that today's is definitely darker. The cheapie is probably more easy to tell that it's darker than yesterday's. Yeah, it's definitely darker than yesterday's. That is definitely darker than yesterday's. Oh wow, on camera it's a lot more apparent. Look at that. So the one here is today's and this is yesterday's up here. Yay! Obviously guys, we're not out of the woods yet, so I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. But thank you all so much for your lovely comments. I've literally just put that video live telling everyone that I'm pregnant and my phone is like blowing up. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to me for free to follow my journey, and I will see you in the next one. Bye ladies!